Today I'm going to show you guys how I did my parts for my DIY $2.80 passion twist tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Loveth. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So in my previous tutorial, I showed you guys how to do passion twists with expression braiding hair, and not only that, I also showed you guys how you can package them and sell them, and of course how to install them, and a nighttime routine as well. And for those of you who didn't watch that tutorial, I'm currently doing a giveaway. These are 6 packs of, bohemian, water wave calls, whatever, for passion twists. So if you like to win this hair, make sure you check out my previous tutorial. The link is going to be in the description box down below. I'm also going to announce the winner of this giveaway in my next upload, which is going to be a 2 weeks update on this hair, and guys, I was blown away.
Stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl in her eyes.
So after washing my hair, I just sectioned it into 3 and had those 3 strands, and I just let it air dry. I didn't put any heat in my hair. So now it was time for me to actually film this tutorial, and I started off by applying leave-in conditioner to my hair. When doing styles like this, I always use a water-based leave-in conditioner. You don't necessarily have to use this exact leave-in conditioner. It's just the one that I have been using that has been working for my hair. Use what works for you and you'll be good to go. So for the front of my hair, I'm going to do 1 horizontal section from ear to ear, tie it down with a hair scrunchie, and move over to the back.
Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming.
So from the back, I'm going to make 3 horizontal sections. For the first horizontal section, I'm going to have 3 boxes. For the second horizontal section, I'm going to have 4 boxes, and for the third horizontal section, I'm going to have 5 to 6 boxes. I'm not so sure, going from ear to ear. To make sure my parts come out really clean and clear, I'm going to be using this Care edge tape that I got from my local beauty supply store some months ago. And if you guys know any edge control that actually has a very strong hold, please comment down below, because I would like to use something that actually works for my head.
Take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest.
I'm also going to be using these rubber bands that I got from my local beauty supply store as well. And if you're scared that the rubber bands are going to break your hair, feel free to apply few drops of extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil, and you'll be good to go. So like I said in my previous tutorial, if you found this tutorial helpful and you want to say thank you to your girl, please make sure you watch the ads that display before, during, and after my videos, or my other videos in general. Because girl, I get paid every month by YouTube, and if you guys don't watch the ads, I'm not gonna get paid. The more ads you watch, the higher my YouTube check is going to be. We currently hit 80,000 subscribers yesterday, and I'm so grateful. It's been amazing. The love I got on my previous tutorial has been awesome.
There is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure, and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's 1 in a million. She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl in her eyes. Take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy.
So now I'm doing my third section, and as I keep going forward, I keep reducing the sizes of my sections just so that I don't have so much hair at the back and the front is full enough to the point where it doesn't look scanty.
Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for love. Oh, I'd fight in a million wars to collapse there in her arms because.
Now that I'm done making sections at the back, I'm just going to move over to the front. So for the front, I'm going to make vertical sections from front to back, like from my forehead to the back, from the beginning of my ear to the back, just like you guys have seen, and that's it. This was really time consuming. I wish I had someone at home, you know, to help me do the parts. My arms were tired, I was so frustrated, but I was like, you know what, I need to film this tutorial on how I install this passion twist with only 1 pack of X-pression braiding hair. In my next upload, I'm going to show you guys how this hair held up. It's going to be an updated video showing you guys how this hair has lasted, and I'm not even going to say anything because you'll be blown away. Alright guys, so I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Again, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you turn on your notifications, make sure you leave a comment on anything you would like me to do, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial, which is in 2-3 days I guess. Till then, bye guys.